The absolute worst thing when it comes to being an Amazon seller is trying to contact Amazon seller support. They're a $1 trillion company, yet they don't have a phone number that I can pick up and call to answer my questions. So today I want to show you guys how you can actually get Amazon on the phone and talk to an actual person to hopefully answer your questions. Now, I'm not gonna promise they're gonna solve your questions, but talking to somebody is so much better than going back and forth via email and cases. I'm just gonna break it down with you guys, and we're gonna dive into my phone, and that is by far the easiest way is from the Amazon seller app on your phone. So if you guys are new to this channel, my name is Trevin Peterson. I've been selling on Amazon now for 7 years. All I do is talk about tips and tricks and strategies on growing a successful Amazon FBA business. That's what this YouTube channel is about. So please subscribe, and let's come over here and let's dive into my phone. All right, so here we are inside my seller app on my phone. You're gonna go to the little hamburger icon on the top left-hand corner, and you will see at the fourth to the bottom, selling partner support. This is where you're going to click right there, and it's going to take you to your case logs. And from there, it says contact selling partner support. You click on that. And then from there, it says, please select your reason for contacting us. And there are several different options, your account, inventory orders. You can come over here to other issues, and you can click on other Amazon services. And then right here, it says contact us. And this is where you can come right here and enter in your phone number. So you click on the phone icon, and then you type in your phone number and hit call me now. Yes, it was that simple. You go to your Amazon seller app and you go follow those simple steps, enter in your phone number, and then you will immediately get a phone call saying, hey, this is Amazon, and then you'll ask them the question. So this is a fantastic and easy way to get seller support on the phone. It can be a nightmare. It can be a headache and a half to deal with seller support, but this is by far the easiest way. And I hope you guys found this valuable. And if you did, please consider subscribing. And if you guys are in a position where you guys are like, man, I'm stuck, I don't know how to sell on Amazon, I'm having problems, well, let me and my team help you through the entire A to Z process. You guys can fill out a completely free application to schedule a free consultation with the link down below. We will get on the phone, we'll go over your questions and see how we can help you scale your Amazon FBA business to that next level. So click the link down below. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope you guys go get Amazon seller support on the phone and get your questions answered. And that is all I have for today. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.